I'm gonna change the steering wheel from the normal one to this one. It's a Momo purple steering wheel. It's gonna be cool. All right, let's get to it. All right, we're gonna wanna undo that. So there are these little pinholes in here on each side, right here, and all right, so I undid all the pins on each side, and this came off. Now I gotta undo this and this. I'm very scared right now. The battery's undone, but I'm very scared. Now, for this part, I probably should check if the wheel was straight first. Oops. Hold on. Yeah, straight enough. You're gonna need 17mm socket. Oh wait, that's a 9. What? This is 19. What? It was in the 17 spot. Excuse me? Oh no. Okay. Alright. 17. Put it on there. And then take it off. Now, you don't want to take it all the way off, because when you're trying to take the wheel off, it's on there pretty tight and you're gonna smack yourself in the face. So leave it on just a little bit. And we're gonna try and take this thing off. Ja, maar dat gaat lukken. Ja, 大丈夫。Off. Not. And that's what it looks like when it is off. Let's see. So that's the top, like that. So let me go get the boss, and we can finally put that thing on. All right. So I got the boss. The little triangle up here is the top. So line that up. Put it on there. There's a airbag canceller thing. I believe it's this thing. And I stick it in there and then close that up. Then the airbag light will stay off. Goes onto the horn button thing, bloop, like that. So let's try and put it on. Top. Close it. Okay, now get some electrical tape and wrap around this part. Now we're gonna try and put this thing on. Remember, the triangle is the top. Line it up. Right. So it looks like this now because I took the cover off. Apparently there's a little hole here that these wires can go through. So I'm gonna put this on. Okay, now to put the cover back on. Nice and easy. Got the nut and the 17. Put it back in there. Now to put the wheel on. Forward button. Yeah. So there's the one button connector thing. Just connect that wire. This thing was too big. But luckily the boss came with an adapter. That in there. Alright, the button is on. Time to put this sticker on. Apparently you can put like a picture inside, but I don't have anything right now, so I'm just gonna put the sticker on and do that another time. But for now, the wheel is on. Looks pretty cool. Alright, let's see if this works. We'll plug the battery back in. You can see my messy toolbox. That'll bother every single person on this planet. Let's see if the horn button works. Good. Airbag light is not on. It's good. Hopefully the wheel's straight. Alright, well, that was changing the steering wheel. It went a lot smoother than I thought, but I want to change this. It looks really weird. So I'll find a good picture to put in there. In the POV videos, you'll be seeing this steering wheel from now on. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and hope you guys like the steering wheel because it's purple. And I chose something that's a little bit different from people usually put on their cars. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe and whatnot, and I will see you in the next one. Drive safe and take care.